Hey everyone! Today, we're going to improve the readability of our Power BI tables by setting alternating background colors for rows. This simple formatting trick is done through the Table Visuals settings. Next, access the Visuals formatting pane. We need to isolate the table to easily access its specific formatting options. Select the visual. Enable Focus Mode, optional. Click the Focus Mode button, a magnifying glass icon, to expand the visual. This makes the formatting options much easier to reach. Next, navigate to Formatting. Switch from the Fields tab to the Formatting tab, the Paint Roller icon. Next, enable alternate background colors. The setting for row shading is found within the table's Values section. Expand Values. Scroll down within the Values section until the alternate background color toggle appears and turn it on. Pick a color. Click the color picker next to the toggle and select your desired shade, such as light gray or a custom shade. Next, we need to verify the outcome. Once applied, the rows in your table will alternate between the default background color and your chosen shade. Inspect readability. Confirm that every other row now displays the alternate background color. Benefit: alternating colors significantly improve readability, making it easier for users to scan data across rows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.